Good afternoon and welcome to Abby Leads the Way. On our first video, somebody reached out and said, "Hey, what kind of bed was that we had her treat on?" And I said, "Well, it's a Coolaroo bed, and actually you can buy these from Amazon, um, and I think it's only like 40 bucks, and it's just a few screws that come together, and it has a nice little airflow through it, so you can see right underneath it." And she loves it when we're outside because then she can lay down. She's not laying in the grass or laying on the rocks or whatever. Um, so it really makes a big change when in how she lays. We also inside the camper though, we have, I think it's called a FurHaven bed, and there's actually two different sizes um, on the FurHaven bed. It's a orthopedic bed. Um, there's a smaller bed, which is what I have here, which is what we actually take in the camper itself, because it's kind of smaller. It lays right in front of the fireplace, so it's really nice. However, when we're traveling though, it can sit behind the theater seating, just kind of slides down inside there, so it's not that big of an issue to travel with. It does, it does have a zipper on here, which you can take and remove it and wash it, wash the outer covering on it. Sorry, it's got some hair on it right now, but we are looking for a travel site to travel to at the end of the month. We haven't been doing a whole lot of traveling. Um, I think our last trip was actually New Year's, so we're a little behind on our trips this year, but we are looking for a spot to go to towards the end of the month. Um, Maybe beginning of next month. Who knows? We're trying to set that pace now. Um, Abby does love laying underneath the camper here in the shade on this nice floor today. It is a little warm today. It's about 80 degrees. So she had a great time with her brother yesterday. They were playing in the pool, having a good time. On that note, again, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, um, please leave the comments because we do like to answer those. Um, but thanks again. We'll see you. Bye.